Good morning and welcome back to episode number 25. Don't be scared, this is just me and my hydrating mask. It's from Garnier, their moisturizing mask. I really like them, they're super hydrating. And yeah, I am preparing myself for a great day ahead. Thank you again for supporting the vlog challenge. There are 5 days to go. This week will be our last week of vlogging. Thank you so much for the support, watching, commenting on my vlogs. You're awesome. Challenge, vlog challenge, 30 days vlog challenge. I will probably do a video where I share my thoughts on vlogging, daily vlogging, and how is it for me. And I'll share my thoughts with you. See you later. Okay guys, I decided to do my makeup on camera and create some eye makeup look. It's been a while since I make a high look makeup here on my channel, and also in real life I'm always skipping eyeshadows. I have my foundation on, I applied some concealer, I did my eyebrows, and now it's time to play with some eyeshadows. I'm using the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, and I think I want to go for really bold warm look. Maybe I'll use this shade, Blood Moon, which is gorgeous shimmer shade, this one.
Somewhere above the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true that you are lost, and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe, you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. With the music still in your ears, you're on your way to conquer your fears. In this dream of your own design, there is someone calling your name. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe, you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo.
Is the look I wanted to go for, and now I will finish off the face using a little bit of bronzer. I'm using the MAC Studio Care Blend Press Powder. Now I'm super pale, and well, actually I have some body tan, but my face is super pale, so I need something. I will zoom you in. Highlighter, the Becca Jack and Hill highlighter. I want to use again the Lisa Aldridge lipstick in the shade Velvet Morning, because I am obsessed. And that completes the look. Super fresh, warm makeup look that I really like. Let me know in the comments what do you think. And if you want to see more looks here on my channel. Basically today's vlog is me showing you this makeup look, and yeah, now I'm about to edit this video. Currently I am on Instagram uploading a picture. You can find me there. It's Mariya Marinova, and I will edit today's vlog so it can be ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday, start of the new week. Unfortunately, the weather will be really gloomy, rainy the whole week. This will be also the last week of the vlog. We have 5 vlogs to go from the 30 days vlog challenge. Thank you for watching the vlog challenge. I will see you in tomorrow's episode, which is number 26. And wish you all a lovely evening, and I will see you in tomorrow's episode.